welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed, could you subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified of other videos. Today I'm just simply going to show you how to do a French seam. I'm starting with 2 pieces of fabric which will be joined together. Now with the right sides facing out, I am just going to stitch along one side. That done, I have trimmed off any excess fabric, and now I am going to turn this over so that the right sides are in and the wrong side is now facing out, and I simply pin this together. And then I'll just go back and stitch about a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch to ensure that the fabric on the other side is properly covered. There it is, the seam, and this would be what the right side would look like. So it would be quite neat. It's one way of neatening your seam. Thanks for watching.